Hello from Slovenia again. Today I mixed some pastel colors, kind of candy colors. Probably not candy if there is no pink, but I don't know. They are pastels. This is titanium nickel yellow by Amsterdam. And this is phthalo turquoise light. This is sky blue light, and this is ultramarine violet light, and this is my pearl white mixture. And I'm lately kind of in straight pours again, but I will layer my cup a little differently. I saw a lady somewhere that pours over those teddy bears or something, and I find that layering of that the cup that she uses, but she uses a little different cups. They are really tall, how can I say, but I will just try to do that anyway. So I will pour quite a lot of pearl white on the bottom, and then I will kind of layer this yellow first. Probably it would be best to have a spoon. I think that she has a spoon. Okay. And now I will go with the turquoise. Maybe I didn't understand that right, but I think that this way of layering and how she pours out of the cup creates really beautiful patterns. And I was inspired to try something new. I like to try new things, experiment. Sometimes. How you layer your cups? Do you do a dirty pour layer from the that you pour like that we normally do? Maybe I should do a video and do straight pours and layering the paints differently in a dirty manner, in layering cup for even this is one different way. I don't know if this will make a big difference, but we will see. Now I will pour this white here, and I will try to sandwich those colors between white here and white here. And because my pearl white is reactive, I hope that I will get some, I don't know, nice results. I will pour it and then I will see. So I want this line to be in the middle where I will pour, so white will be on the sides. I really love how this looks. So soft with that pearl white. So the last corner. Sorry guys if I may be out of the screen, or how can I say, because I was so impressed with this, how this looks. So soft. I really love it. Just have to take care of my corners because they are a part of the painting, so they have to look nice too. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous here. I will show you the sides because they are gorgeous too. My hands are shaking, you see? No, not young anymore. Not old, don't get me wrong, and I don't feel old, but sometimes our body just don't feel the same as it was, 20 years ago. Just need to take this thing out. And I will do a quick torch, don't want some crazy cells to pop, just to pop the air bubbles. Okay. This is one side, probably the less interesting. Oh. This one is definitely my favorite. It's hard because of the light. I hope that it will stay like that, that I can show you the dried results that will be beautiful too. And this one is gorgeous too. This one is just a note to the painting. Really interesting. I love this translucent look with pearl white. I have to try this with some pigments because probably it would look amazing. Details are just so fluffy. And all those kind of veins. Just love it.
What?
I hope it will dry till tomorrow that I can show you the dried results. So here she is dry. Maybe a little too much white. The sides stayed really beautiful too. But I love all this translucency, and I have an idea how to layer it a little differently, but still keep that cloudy, wispy look, or how can I say. And because of the pearl white, you can almost see the lines in the pearl white too, and I love that. Yeah, I think that it's a little too white. So I will keep on going with experimenting with this kind of layering, but with a little twist and the knowledge that I learned. So stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for being here. Bye!